So, good morning. So, today our first question is find a point on the curve y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5 at which tangent is y is equal to x minus 11. So, y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5. This is our curve. So, what is slope of the tangent? dy by dx is equal to 3x squared minus 11. And what is our tangent? Tangent is y is equal to x minus 11. Now, you compare it with y is equal to mx plus c. So, what is slope? Slope of the tangent m is equal to what? 1. But you know, these two are equal. But dy by dx is slope of tangent. This is also slope of tangent. So, what you can say? 3x squared minus 11 is equal to 1. So, 3x squared is equal to what? 12. X squared is equal to what? 4. X is equal to what? Plus or minus 2. Now, when x is equal to 2, y is equal to what? The curve you have to substitute 2 cube minus 11 into 2 plus 5. So, 8 minus 22 plus 5. 8 plus 5, 13. That is what? 2 minus 9. Now, when x is equal to minus 2, what is it? Y is equal to minus 2 cube minus 11 into minus 2 plus 5. So, minus 8 plus 22 plus 5. 22 plus 5, 27. 27 minus 8, 19. So, minus 8, 19. So, what is the second point? Minus 2, 19. So, which point? So, these two, we want a point in which the given curve has tangent y is equal to x minus 7. So, that point will satisfy both tangent and curve. So, what is the point then? If you put 2 minus 9 here, this is minus 9, 2 minus 11, minus 9, correct. But minus 2, 19 means what? This is 19, this is not satisfying. So, our solution is what? 2 minus 9. So, the point is what? 2 comma minus 9. Now, find the equation of all the lines of having slope minus 1 that are tangents to the curve y is equal to 1 by x minus 1. So, y is equal to what? 1 by x minus 1. What is slope of the tangent? dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by x minus 1 the whole square. But you know slope is what? Slope is equal to minus 1. So, both are equal. So, minus 1 by x minus 1 the whole square is equal to what? Minus 1. Therefore, x minus 1 the whole square is equal to what? 1. So, x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 1. So, x into x minus 2 is equal to 0. So, x is equal to 0, x is equal to what? 2. X is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2. So, which value we will take? You put y is equal to what? X by 0. X by 0 means 1 by 0 minus 1. That is minus 1. So, the point is what? 2 comma minus 1. And second point, x is equal to 2. So, y is equal to what? 1 by 2 minus 1. That is 1. So, the point is what? 2, 1. Now, you have to find out slope. So, what is equation of slope? Y minus y naught is equal to dy by dx into x minus x naught. So, first point y minus minus 1 is equal to dy by dx is slope. Slope is already there minus 1 into x minus 2. So, y plus 1 is equal to minus x plus 2. So, y plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Y plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Second equation same. Y minus 2 is equal, sorry, y minus 1 is equal to dy by dx is what? Minus 1 into x minus 2. So, y minus 1 is equal to minus x plus 2. So, y plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. This is equation of all lines have sloping minus slope minus 1 and are tangents to the curve y is equal to 1 by x minus. So, here what is slope of tangent? dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by x minus 3 the whole square. And slope is equal to what? 2. So what we can write? Minus 1 by x minus 3 the whole square is equal to 2. So minus 1 is equal to 2 into x minus 3 the whole square. So 2 into x squared minus 6x plus 9 is equal to minus 1. So 2x squared minus 12x plus 18 plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore 2x squared minus 12x plus 19 is equal to 0. So what is x? X is equal to 12 plus or minus root of 144 minus 4 into 2 8, 8 into 19. 8 into 19 is what? 152 by 2 into 2. But this is negative. So there exists no real value of x such that equation of line having slope 2, because b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, so there exists no real value. We are considering all real valued functions, so that there exists no real valued values of x, so that there is no. So our curve is this. So what is slope of the tangent? Minus 1 by x squared minus 2x plus 3 into x squared minus 2x plus derivative is 2x minus 2. Now slope, so what is answer? Minus of 2x minus 2 by x squared minus 2x plus 3 the whole square. Okay. 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x squared. But you know slope is equal to what? 0. So what you can say? Minus of 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. Implies x is equal to what? 1. If x is equal to 1, then what is y? Y is equal to 1 squared minus 2 into 1 plus 3. So what is answer? Y is equal to 1 by 2. So what is the equation? Equation is y minus 1 by 2 is equal to slope is 0 into x minus 1. So you are getting y is equal to what? 1 by 2. This is what slope of a equation of line having slope 0, which are tangent to the curve, given curve. Now find the points on the curve. X squared by 19 plus y squared by 16 is equal to 1, which tangents are parallel to x axis, tangents are parallel to y axis. Anyway, for we have to find out the slope. So what is 2x by 9 plus 2y by 16 into dy by dx is equal to 0. So what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to minus 2x by 9 by 2y by 16. So what is it? Minus 16x by 9 by. Now you have to find out a point only. So if it is parallel to x-axis, what you can say? If it is parallel to x-axis, then what is parallel to x-axis? Parallel to x-axis means dy by dx is equal to 0. Parallel to x-axis. So what you can say? Minus 16 by 9y is equal to 0. Implies x is equal to 0. Therefore, the points are 0 squared by 16, 0 squared by 9 plus y squared by 16 is equal to 1. Therefore, what you are getting? Y squared is equal to 16, y is equal to plus or minus 1. So, the points are 0, plus or minus 4. Now if the line is parallel to y-axis, if it is parallel to y-axis, what you can say, dx by dy is equal to 0. What is dx by dy? Minus 9y by 16x is equal to 0. Therefore what you can say, y is equal to 0. If y is equal to 0 means you can write x squared by 9 plus 0 is equal to 1. So x squared is equal to 9. X is equal to what? Plus or minus 3. So the points are plus or minus 3 comma 0. So this is the question. Find the equation of tangent and normal to the given curve at the indicated point. So all these problem, what you have to do? You have to find out first dy by dx. I will tell you example. 4x cube minus 18x squared plus 26x minus 10. Now dy by dx at 0, 5. dy by dx at 0, 5 is what? 0, 5 means you put x is equal to 0. So what you are getting? Minus 10. This is, now what is equation? Equation is what? Y minus, point is there, 5 is equal to slope is minus 10 into x minus 0. So y minus 5 is equal to what? Minus 10x. So 10x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. This is equation of tangent. And normal. Normal, what is the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to, or y minus y0 is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx. That means minus 1 by minus 10 into x minus 0. So 10y minus 50 is equal to my x. Therefore 10y minus x minus 50 is equal to 0. The same way you can do here. Here you see this question, only some exceptional cases there, but last problem I solved this last class. X cos t means what is x naught? Cos pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 is what? 1 by root 2. Y naught is what? Sin pi by 4. That is also 1 by root 2. Now what you have to find out are dx by dt, then dy by dt, then find out dy by dx at t is equal to pi by 4. Then do the problem. Next, find the equation of tangent line to the curve y is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 7. So y is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 7 means this is a curve. So what is the slope of the tangent? 2x minus 2. Now, first question, first part, it is parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. So you convert it in the form y is equal to mx plus c. So what you are getting? Y is equal to 2x plus 9. So slope is equal to what? Slope is equal to here 2. Now you can write 2x minus 2. That is slope of the tangent. This is also 2. So 2x is equal to 4. X is equal to what? 2. So the point is what? Point is 2 comma and curve. Curve is what? Curve means 2 squared minus 2 into 2 plus 7 y. So 4 minus that is 2 7. Point is 2 7. Now you have to find out equation of tangent. Equation of tangent is what? Equation of tangent is y minus 7 is equal to, slope is already there 2. 2 into x minus 2. Simplify and find out the answer. And second part, it is perpendicular to the line. So you know 5y is equal to what? 15x plus 13. So y is equal to what? 15x by 5 plus 13 by 5. So 3x plus 13 by 5. So what is slope? Slope m is equal to what? 3. But this is perpendicular to the line. This tangent is perpendicular. So what is equation of tangent? So the slope of tangent. Slope of tangent is equal to minus 1 by 3. So now you can find out the slope of tangent is equal to minus 1 by 3. So 2x minus 2 into 2x minus 2 is equal to what? Minus 1 by 3. Or you can write like this also, m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. So from here you will get x value. Then substitute and find out the equation of tangent.